to prepare soil very well and then plant more of this. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I bring another interesting video like this. To plant ginger, when you have ginger tubers like this, plant them during rainy season, cutting them into small pieces like this one, cut into two. This one can be cut into two. This big one like three, cut it into three sizes. Then proceed, make heaps. Bury them inside the pit during rainy season, one after the other. So, after preparing soil this way, that is how to plant it. Don't have to be too far apart. So during rainy season, plant them this way. Then, as the rain begins to fall on it, it will sprout from the soil. Then you can apply manure around the heaps and use common manure such as chicken droppings, goats dropping, spread it around the heaps. Then by that you have organic manure for your plants rather than artificial manure. Then after 4, 5, 6 months, grows to maturity, then time to harvest. You want to know how to do the harvesting? See the video on my channel. I leave a link for you in the description box for this video so that you can actually learn how to do the harvesting. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not hesitate to do so. Until another time, I say bye bye.